What's going on, guys? Welcome to the next tutorial on HTML. In the previous video we explored the HTML, what is HTML, hypertext markup language, and we explored the localhost. We created our first folder inside htdocs. So we went there and explored these headings: heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6, and we also explored this paragraph. So in this video we're gonna see how we're gonna break this paragraph from another paragraph, or how we break things. So go ahead and start your exam. We're starting our XAMPP. Alright, so it's running on port 80 again. So okay, so we check again if it's working. It's working perfectly fine. Alright, so we go there and we see that's our H1 and paragraph. So say, guys, this break is just a BR. It's very useful when you guys doing this website. So that's how we do that. So it's open tag BR then /. That's how we do break. So that's how we do breaking. So if we do 2 breaks, it brings the makes the margin, or say, guys, notice that the space between this one gets widened. So if we do this from the second one to the third one, that's the easiest. Alright, so if we go here and we put another break is very useful. Sometimes you guys do the website because you want to break the paragraphs, or break any other things. So we go there, we've tried the break. Okay, so that's a break. You're breaking this paragraph for another one. You're making like the more break you put it, say if we put it 2 breaks here and there is a space, the widen space here, and say we want to make the space widen. So if we put it 2, you can put 3, 4, 5, whatever, it's up to you. So if you put another break, alright, so there we go. You guys can see this moving downward. So that's a break. That's very easy. Just a BR for break, and make sure you guys put this /. It means you're closing this this tag. Don't forget about that. You can put a space, no problem. So the next one we show you guys how to put your image. Alright, so you guys can go ahead inside your I've downloaded few pictures from here. So you've got a AOO, which is JPG, photo 1, JPEG, photo 2, photo 3, photo 4. You can download anywhere from internet, or if you got your own, you can copy it. Alright, so you guys can go on C folder. You can go to exam. Alright, find the htdoc hypertext documents. Alright, so that's our first web. Alright, you can see the index that we are writing here at the moment. That's the index HTML. That's the one we're writing. Okay, so we create another document. You can put img, our images. So you put a images, our img. It's up to you. img to short, or you can put image, our images. Alright, so we created our first folder and we want to paste all our folders here. So what I've done is I Control V. You Control C for copy and Control V for paste. So you guys get familiar with this one. So you guys notice I haven't done this way. You guys can do it like this GUI way, graphical interface way, or you guys can Control C and Control V. So that's the two things you guys do all the time. All right, so we copied our thing. The first one is JPG file, and we want to put it inside our file. So what we do is we go here, and if you want to put the thing, all right, so I go back, I'll go back, and I want to put my picture here. So what I'll do is I'll open the tag, I put IMGs, you guys can see IMG for image, and I'm gonna put SRC for source. So SRC for source, and I'm gonna open this open for source, and I'm gonna put my folder name, images, not images, AOO.jpg. all right, so I'll put alternative alt, and say alternative is the way for web browser, if web browser can render your image. So what's the alternative way? What you guys wanted to say? You guys putting a picture of the George Washington, or you guys want a picture of the British Prime Minister, or you guys put a picture of the Queen. So you guys just put a Queen of England, or if you guys want to put a picture of Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison, you guys just put a Scott Morrison, Australian Prime Minister. So in that way, people know that this, what's this picture about, just in case if HTML can't render this. So at the moment we leave this alt empty, so I'll put here to try to explain here. So we put a h2, so in our h2 we put another h2, sorry, it's h2. So we go here in h2, images, SRC is stands for source. I'll put in capital letter source, and alt stands for alternative. All right, so we come here, we save our file, we go here. All right, so you guys can see I've rendered my picture, the pictures I had in my folders. That's the first one, I render it, and that's coming, and the bottom one's coming my h2. So images, SRC, it stands for source, and alt stands for alternative. Okay. All right, so images source stands for, or you can put a SRC for source. You can do this way if it makes it easier to explain. Okay, so that's the thing. And if you guys can put another one to render the second page, the second photo, you guys can do the same. Say I want to put a water, or you can put a water tree, or a waterfall, or water, whatever you want to call it. So as long as there is a text here. All right, so if we do like this, if we go and check this, at the moment you don't see this alternative, because it's rendering perfectly fine, but just in some case there is a server problem, or there is other problems, you guys don't see the thing. So if I try to make that intentionally the path wrong, so what I'll try to do, see, you guys can see I don't see my photo, but I can see my alternative here. So that's why we put this alt, just in case if our photo is not coming. Say if the water tree is coming here, but our photo is not showing because the path is not right. So because we put this water tree as our alt, and you guys can see here there's a photo, there's a this photo. So images, okay, we put the S. If you want to put another picture here, just put it beside it. So img is for image, src is equal to double quotation, just put your double quotation, don't forget about that. Images, you can do what was our second photo's name? I'll just go and check. Photo 1 jpeg, okay, that's photo 1.jpeg. all right, so we just put an alt and we'll leave it empty. Okay, make sure you guys close your tag, because some tags, if it's single one, you can put it here. It means the HTML is going to see this one as an end for the photos. And I'm going to show you guys there are a few tags here which this one required. You don't need to put the second one, so it's a standalone tag. Okay, so we go and check. Alright, so the first photo is smaller, the second photo is bigger. Okay, see the first photo, because normally when I download it, this first photo is smaller than this photo is bigger than the first photo. But in the next few videos I'm going to show you how to adjust this, but I don't want to confuse you guys at the moment, because all you need to know is just how to bring a photo and put it there, and how to create the folder. So that's how you guys do the photo, and how you guys are gonna break this thing with the BR. And if you put this, alright, so you guys, BR is for break, so I'm gonna put a BR is for break. Okay, that's break, and I'm gonna break this this to H2, and alright, so I'll go and check again. See, I've broken this break this two H2s, heading 2s, or header 2s, second headers. That's the first one or the second one. So how about if you want to go break these two photos, these photos beside each other, so we want to go there and break this. So all we need to do is just you put your break tag, BR tag, that's it. It's gonna break it and it's gonna show. Okay, if you guys notice, the photo is broken. So if there is no space here, it means it's broken, but there is no space. So what we do is that we just put another break to make the space wider. So you guys see this is there is a space now. So what we do is that if you want to put your 4 pictures, okay, so what I'll do is that you can put anything inside this, water lily, maybe water lily, lily, or Lilydale, whatever. Okay, that's img source, src for source. That's in my images folder. So I'm going to put a photo 2.jpeg. I'm going to close this double quotation, so I'll put a alternative, and I'm going to leave it empty. You guys put whatever you want to put there. Okay, I'm going to close it, and I'm going to see that if it's showing. So there you go, there is a second photo. So that's the first photo. There is a second photo, and you guys notice that it's using this space, whatever space available beside this it's using, unless you guys want to put this BR tag, otherwise it's using this space. So if you put a, so how many photos you got? We've got 2, 3, 4, 5. So photo 3 and 4, 5. Okay, so what I'll do is that I'll copy this because I'm a bit lazy, and I'm gonna paste it, and I'm paste again. I've done Control V, if you guys notice. So I'm gonna put a photo 3 and photo 4. Photo 4, you can put this alternative is mountain, or this one put a city, mountain, city garden. This is up to you, you whatever you want to put. Alright, so we go and check the all our photos rendering and all our photos showing. Alright, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.